Finally, the secret is out. Samsung is planning the early release of Galaxy Note 9, and Samsung claimed that Galaxy Note 9 will be the one most exciting Galaxy Notes in years. Samsung has been working on this technology for years. Now, Samsung is intended to use this technology on Samsung Galaxy S10 instead of Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Samsung wants some noticeable changes in Galaxy S10 as compared to Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. So there is less chance that the Galaxy Note 9 will have in-display fingerprint reader. However, Samsung might change its mind and the Galaxy Note 9 will have in-display fingerprint. Hard to know where Samsung go further when the impressive live message, pen up and translate all arrived last year with Galaxy Note 8. But there is a crazy rumor that S Pen will incorporate a microphone which is to be used for phone calls and recording. Finally, Samsung has used its mind in respect of battery that 3300 mAh is not sufficient for a high resolution large screen flagship phones. Now Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will have 3800 mAh 18-volt fast charging battery. This will be the first battery the company has ever fitted. Bixby is a good assistant, but this upgrade makes no sense in the presence of Google Assistant because Google Assistant do almost everything, and even after the launch of Google Duplex, all other assistants have no same worth. However, Samsung has also upgraded its Bixby, which is now Bixby 2.0, and Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will also have a dedicated Bixby button. Samsung Galaxy Note 9 rock with a new brand UI called Crown UX. This UI is particularly designed to enhance the performance and power efficiency of devices. With this at the heart of it, the Note 9 performance and power efficiency will increase. There are some rumors that the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 will have teddy brown color. However, it is not yet confirmed. It is probable that the Galaxy Note 9 will have the same colors as Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus or have at least same color of Samsung Galaxy Note 8. There is some rumor that the Samsung will not only give the Galaxy Note 9 the dual aperture camera as the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, but company also upgrading front facing camera. At this point there is only rumors about front facing camera.